So today I'm going to polish this rock. Piece of Amazonite using the Vevor drill press and Waies polishing set. All right, so there's my piece of Amazonite, and I've realized that after doing this a few times that one of the keys to a nice polished rock is to get all the cracks and crevices out, and sometimes your rock breaks, and that's exactly what happened here. The rock broke, and now I have two pieces, and I'm afraid to polish that anymore because I'm afraid it's going to break again on that fault line. So I'll leave it, but that's it for this. I forget what, it's actually a grinding disc, but now I'm going to put this on. With, I think I better go 50. I have a 50 somewhere. There's a 50, but it's worn down. Well, I'll use it. And then I'll put 100 on. So this stuff is all off of Amazon. Whoops. This thing is essential to grinding your rocks down. Initially, I just started with the pads, the Waies polishing pads, and I was going through 50s like you wouldn't believe. So this is a 50 grit. We'll get on with that. All right, so there we are after 50 grit. And now it's off to 100 grit. And then 200, and then 400, and then 800, 1600, and 3000. And then we will have a shiny, polished rock. So that's after 3000 grit. I'm just going to put the buffing wheel on and buff it up. Looks pretty nice. Pretty nice piece of Amazonite. All right. So this is 30,000 grit. Just gonna squeeze some of that on there. Don't need a lot. Pretty nice. One of my nicest ones yet. Beautiful. Nice.